Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You're signed in and ready. Open Settings and Privacy from your profile menu now. Once there, tap Privacy, Safety, and Content Controls to reach content filters. You need a verified session, make sure two-factor prompts are cleared, then choose Search Settings within Content Controls. This narrows the exact toggle you'll change. You're starting the process immediately so you don't waste time hunting menus. These steps get you directly to the safe search control so you can change it. In Search Settings, locate the option labeled Hide Sensitive Content or Safe Search. This controls what appears in search results. Toggle it off. This disables the automated filtering that removes sensitive tweets and images. Make sure to also review related settings such as media previews and personalization because they affect what content is shown together with search results. Once toggled, the platform will include broader matches. You're doing this so searches reflect fewer algorithmic exclusions and more complete results. Save your changes, then refresh the page or restart the app to ensure the new setting takes effect. After restarting, run a few sample searches to confirm broader results are appearing and sensitive filters are no longer excluding content. If you still see filtered results, clear the browser/app cache and update X to the latest version, then log out and back in. That resolves stale settings. If problems continue, try the same steps on a different device to isolate account versus device issues.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.